guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Shrija and I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. So for today's video, I have made a lot of makeup tutorials, but this is just going to be one of those where if you are a beginner or if you absolutely have no idea about makeup, this makeup tutorial is for you guys, so you can get that effortless festive makeup look or a wedding guest makeup look for that matter. So it just goes with all of your Indian outfits and you don't really have to like put a lot of effort and stress about the fact that ki, oh mujhe makeup nahi aata hai. So this is just one of those makeup tutorials. Now I am going to explain everything in detail from the very beginning till the very end, but it is a full face of makeup and you can skip whatever steps you don't feel like you're comfortable with. But in case you want to try or just experiment with your makeup, you can definitely go and try this makeup look. All the product links will be mentioned in the description that I'm going to use in this video. Apart from that, I will also leave a few of my favorite recommendations, so in case this or that doesn't work, you have options for you as well. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I'm going to create in this video, and now without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, hair is out of the face, so we'll start with primers first. So the primer that you want to pick is supposed to be according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, you can definitely go for a matte primer, or if you have dry skin, you can go for a hydrating dewy primer. It just depends on what look you want, but a primer is must for any festive wedding or any makeup look that is just going to stay on your face for the longest time, or in general also. Now for my base, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum. And now if you are someone who is not a fan of foundations, and if you are a makeup newbie, trust me, using a foundation is like the last thing you want to do. Foundations are just going to make your skin feel a lot heavier, and personally I'm not a foundation person altogether. I would rather be happy with my tints and concealers. Now this tint is very blendable, so I'm just going to blend it with my fingers on one side and use a beauty blender on the other. So you guys can see there's absolutely like no big difference as such. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this side just, it's my skin but better. Now taking a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend all of the serum in. Since I have been doing my own makeup for the longest time, I just feel like the beauty blender works very well. But agar comfortable nahi ho, so you can definitely go and blend with your fingers. Now for concealing my eyes, I'm not so big on color correcting everything on my face, but dark circles is something that just makes or breaks your look. So if you have really dense dark circles, you can go for an orange color corrector. If you don't really have that dense dark circles, you can go for a peach one. For me, on a regular basis, I don't really use a peach color corrector, but I would prefer for festive makeup looks. Currently I'm not going to use one. I'm just going to use a concealer that goes with my skin tone very well. Just a tad bit on the inner corners and a tad bit on the outside. Thoda sa on my eyelids as well, just to create that base for my eyeshadow next. Trust me when I say this, color correcting genuinely helps a lot. It is just going to make you not look ashy. Otherwise, if you use any concealer, any makeup base, it just ends up looking ashy. So make sure you choose a concealer and your color corrector in a way that it just goes very well with your skin tone. So whatever coverage that you see, this is the coverage that I prefer on a regular basis. But since we're doing festive and I want my dark circles to just go away altogether, if I had used a peach color corrector, मेरे को और एक clear concealer का लगाना नहीं पड़ता. But since I have not, I'm just going to use it here, just thoda sa niche, like in the hollows of my eyes. I'm just going to apply a little bit so it just gets highlighted, and again blend it off. Before setting my eyes, I'm going to go in with a liquid blush. Now there are two ways you can use a blush. You can either put 2 dots directly. I'm just going to use this side for a reference, and the other method I will just share with you. 2 dots, and the blending method has to be upwards. So you just go take this, that streak you see, and then bas upar, just pick up your brush. Don't do this. Just pick up your brush and blend it. Now for the second method, I'm just going to take a tad bit on the back of my hand. Take my beauty blender, dab, and then just start applying it. Again, the motion has to be upwards, so your face just tends to look slimmer. That is the only thing. So now taking the side from where we blended our concealer, I'm just going to dab it one more time. So the concealer and the blush just kind of blends in very well. And I say stark difference na lage ki oh there's concealer and there's blush. Now that all cream, liquid, whatever products have been used, I'm going to take a setting spray, just spray it a little bit on my beauty blender, and then just dab, dab, dab. Literally everywhere that I have used any liquid product, under the eyes, on the blush, everywhere, so it just sets in. Also, the main reason I didn't set my under eyes before the blush is because then the concealer and the blush ka blending happens seamlessly, and the setting spray over the powder doesn't really make sense. That is just the last step that you do, spray your face entirely. But this way your under eyes are not going to crease and they're just going to stay very well. So for my eyeshadow, I'm just going to take any brown or coral shade because that just goes with a lot of Indian outfits. And now if you're not comfortable with your makeup brushes or anything, just take the pigment on your hand and randomly place it all over your eyelid. Just मतलब जैसे लगाना आ रहा है वैसे लगा दो. Just place the pigment all over your eyelid. So now this process doesn't have to be in the most aesthetic या perfect manner, because ये just सिर्फ randomly लगा रहे हो, and just make sure you cover your entire eyelid with it. Now that I've covered my entire eyelid, I'm taking a blending brush, just dabbing a little bit product, and then just start blending all of that in. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ ऐसे ऐसे ये कर दो. If you can, just make sure to go in circular motion, या फिर randomly ऐसे ऐसे करके भी तुम्हारा blend हो जाएगा if it is a good blending brush. Even for the eyelid, just make sure you go over it one more time, so वो patches जो भी होंगे तो that just gets blended away. The best method is to just swirl your brush, but अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है तो just ऐसे ऐसे कर लो, so it is just more easier for you to use it. I like the swirling method, and since I am used to it, तो मेरे लिए हो जाता है. But अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो just move your brush from here to here, side strokes. ये तो हो गया base. Now for my lower lash line, again I'm going to take the same shade. Again, this doesn't have to be very precise. Just use your blending brush and एकदम waterline के आसपास में जाना. Take a छोटू blending brush and then just go around it. Now I know the lower lash line can be tricky if you are a first time makeup person or something of that sort, but trust me, आँख में डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can just very well easily do it. Just outer इसमें करो and just look up if you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this lower lash line को include करना in your eye makeup is so important. It just ties your entire eye makeup look together. मतलब ऊपर इतना सब तामझाम करके if you don't give attention to your lower lash line तो मतलब sense नहीं बनता, because then it is just going to look very weird कि oh the ऊपर का section is done and the lower section is just somewhere hanging. ये तो हो गया base. Now on this base you can work around with so many things. So first things first, अगर यही base रखना है, you can just go and line your lower waterline with a kajal, and that is going to look very pretty. And अगर वो नहीं करना है, and if you want that tad bit of glitter to it, just take that glitter on your finger. When you're applying the glitter, just make sure that your mirror is down and एकदम inner corner पे apply करना. I wouldn't recommend swiping it because you already have eyeshadow on. So whenever I apply glitter with my fingers, I just take it till the half of my eyelid, and then again taking the same blending brush, I'm going to blend it. जहाँ तक glitter लगाया है, just blend it out. तो मतलब glitter की कोई harsh line ना दिखे. It just looks very blended and very nice. Now like I said, this eye look is very versatile. You can do whatever you want. Now since मैंने glitter add कर दिया है, I am also going to go in with a kajal because I just feel like it goes well with my outfit. But you can do either or, whatever you're comfortable with. अगर दोनों करना है तो definitely go for it. And to complete my eye look, I'm just going to go in with a mascara. Now since the eye makeup look is very basic, मतलब eyeliner नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, I am going to go in with mascara on my lower and upper lashes. And since kajal lagaya hai, so that mascara is just going to define and highlight my eyes a lot more. Now this next hack is again one of my favorite. जो भी mascara का wand हो, just take off the excess from the wand. The main reason you take off the excess product is otherwise it is just going to give you patchy eyebrows and I don't like them. So that. Also, while doing your eyebrows, just make sure you use the lightest hand possible. Just don't draw it out. Just use very light strokes. Even if you take out the excess product, you might end up with a lot of product on the wand, so you don't want that. Now on to the last step, and that is lipstick. I'm just going to take a little bit of lip balm and apply it. And since it is a matte lipstick, this tiny bit of a lip balm layer is not going to affect or not give you those glossy lips. I'm using my current favorite shade, and this is definitely going to be one of my most used shades for the festive season, and that is Worth It Medium. This is not the Alia Bhatt shade, but a little darker. Now apart from setting your makeup, your setting spray also just blends in all of your makeup very well. Matlab, you will see that difference once you use that setting spray. Your makeup, your entire face is just going to look so blended, so beautiful. Like it's just like a seamless thing going on your face. So that is pretty much it for today's video, and trust me when I say this makeup look, the way I have done it, it is going to last for more than 12 hours, and I've tried it and tested it for my own engagement, for my brother's wedding, everything. It just stays. Okay, your makeup is going to just last for the longest time. So follow the steps and do everything right, and let me know if you try this makeup look, or just send me pictures on my Instagram, because I would love to see it. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video super soon.